blueberry and jasmine drink. I'm gonna have my cup until. It's supposed to be peanut sauce because I can't eat peanuts, so I'm just doing plain sweet and sour sauce. Okay. How we do this as usual. Fingers cleans. And the way we do it. Just a little pan-shaped cupcake here. It's incredible. So don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. It will become available in a couple of days. We need to try it, and this is supposed to be something new. I went to the restaurant, the Asian restaurant, not long ago, and it was a complimentary from the chef, and so I figured out how to make this. So I thought it was expensive at the restaurant, so I thought I'd come home and figure this out. It's a lot cheaper. This infusion drink is so good. I forgot the roasted pepper. It won't be the same without it. There's no other, it must be the other way to do this, but I like this way because easy. The flavor of turmeric and the rice flours and coconut milk. I know there's eggs in this, okay, so I'm allergic to it, but I take my Benadryl, so and I'll be quiet about it. I won't tell my kids. When they see me scratches, they know. So a very simple recipe, so I like to share that with you soon. Or you can have it without vegetable, but I like mine with vegetables because that's the way we eat it. The way other people eat it to avoid vegetables, just pop this in the mouth. It's like just like a small cupcake or one of those sweet. The chili is kicking in. I dropped my jasmine in there. Oh, it tastes so good. And the pepper is just kicking in. It's working in my mouth. Yes. It's just the way it should be. So come and join me. I'm eating in the Vietnamese called banh KHỌT. I call it cup bánh xèo or bánh xèo, khnom klok. It depends where you're from, and then you can call whatever you like. But I'm call it my dinner. Oh. Come join me.